Meghalaya Health Minister and NPP leader Ampreen Lingdo yesterday said that there are 38 languages of various states listed for consideration to be recognized in the 8th schedule and appealed to all the political parties going for the 2024 parliamentary polls to include the demands in their manifesto. Meanwhile, the minister also informed that one MBBS candidate from East Jaintia Hills has been denied the seat from the state quota of unreserved seat after the Deputy Commissioner reviewed the issue of the Permanent Resident Certificate (PRC) and found the individual not eligible for issuance of the PRC. The seat will be duly accorded to the next person in the waiting list of the unreserved category, she added.
Khasi of the state, indigenous language of the state of Meghalaya, is one of the 38 listed languages that are awaiting the assent for submission of amendment to the Parliament, both the Lok Sabha as well as the Rajya Sabha. Became controversial because of several details that were, indicated to government at that point of time. We have sent the provisional PRCs to the various districts, giving them an instruction that henceforth there shall be no more issuance of a provisional certificate.